white man with a bush. This is dumb. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by HayQueenCrowns. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. It is also still WIGMAS, and I'm collabing with another one of my wig baes. You know her as BodiedBykeira. If y'all don't know her, first of all, what are you doing with your life? If you are a part of the wig community and you love YouTube wig reviews, you should know who this is, okay? She lays and slays every single thing that she touches. It could literally be trash and it will look good on her because she bodies every single wig. I rocks heavy with her, okay? We are both giving you guys a holiday glam look to fit any budget. So whether you want a more affordable option or you want to test the waters and spend some coin, we got you covered. So I will put her video down below. Make sure you guys check her out and tell her that RaShon sent you. If you are here from her channel, first of all, hey, how you doing? Welcome. I'm glad you're here, okay? We are here to lay and slay our wigs and give you guys some looks. So before we get into all of my look, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. So the wig is on and now it's time to do some makeup. I need some chapstick first because my lips are itchy. Always got the crusty mouth. God dang. Where's my chapstick? Good old Vaseline. Where are my sneakers? So before I do my brows, I'm going to do my primer. And I have been using this Morphe Priming Beauty Oil that I got from Ulta like maybe a couple weeks ago. If you guys follow my TikTok, I feel old on that joint. But I did show, I did like a little Ulta haul or whatever, and I got this. And y'all, I actually love it. It's hydrating and it works well as like a primer. I don't feel like you can see my pores or nothing around my cheek area, so I'm really happy with this. You guys know I have been using, ooh, this is my mouth, it's in my mouth. You guys know I have been using the, what's it called? Maybelline Baby Skin Primer, which is still a good primer. I just want to try something new. So I saw this one when I went to Ulta to get some more setting mist. How I go to Ulta for one thing and walk out with something else. Y'all be doing that? I went to Ulta for a $15 item, maybe $18, and I ended up getting 2 of them because I didn't want to run out. And I ended up spending $210 of Kenny's money, but still. And then I'm going to take my Laura Mercier setting powder. So I'm just going to put that around like my eye, like my sweaty areas, just to make the makeup a little bit more flawless in my opinion. I don't know if that's really the explanation. It just helps me not get super oily. So that's why I like to use it under my foundation. So I have a brow tutorial. You want to see how I do my brows. The shape and the look of my brow may change, but the technique is still the same. Okay, check that video out. Okay, brows are all done, and now I need to go in with my concealer on my eyelid, just a little bit, just a touch of sealer. I'm testing out this look because Kenny will be home tonight. If you guys don't know, he has been gone for a month. Normally we'll be getting ready for the holiday parties and things like that, but you know, people still sick out here. No thanks, no thank you. All right, then I'm gonna take my Black Radiance powder, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Every product that I use will be listed down below, so you guys wanna, you know, check those out for yourself. You can definitely do that. Okay, so for this look, I'm gonna be using my Juvia's Place Wahala 2 palette. I will be using some colors on this side right here. The names of the colors are on the palette, so I will put them down below, so you guys wanna check those out, you definitely can do that, okay? I'm gonna put the color ASAP on my brush, and then put her on the outside corner of my V. I'm all hunched up, goodness great, relax, relax. I'm nervous, my baby coming home, y'all. I haven't seen him, like I said, in a month. Okay, we're gonna put that all up in the crease and outside of the eye. See how it kind of made a V? I'm gonna take this little tannish color called Lit on my, this is a Morphe M330 brush. I'm gonna put that on the top of that, kind of buff those edges out a little bit. And then I'm gonna take a flat brush, use that same color, Lit. We're gonna pop that on our lid. And then I'm gonna take this color right here. It's called Oya. I don't know, it's like a shimmer, but I'm gonna use that. So I'm gonna put that on my lid on the outside like that. Using my finger, yes I am. It looks almost like a black sparkle color. And then I'm gonna use the shimmer Period, which is right here. And that's kind of like an orangey tone. Overlap that a little bit. Bring it farther into my eye. I'm gonna keep patting that to my desired look. I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Nudes palette. I'm gonna use this little shimmer shade here in the corner. So I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Use that same brush. I'm gonna make sure that my placement is right. Take a little bit more of Period and just concentrate that right here on the top. Okay, and that is how the eye is looking right now. I'm gonna use my, I think this is this one. So CoverGirl D50. That's the only foundation that I have been using for the last, what, year and a half. I'm still waiting on CoverGirl to sponsor me so I can stop buying this joint. I mean, it's only $8, so it ain't no problem, but still. Why fix something that's not broken? Okay, so I'm gonna keep on using that joint until I find something better, or that I like better, or until somebody sent me some free stuff they want me to try. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer under the eyes. Am I crooked? I feel like I'm crooked. Honey, 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 honey. I'm trying to be snatched. I'm trying to be pulled together. Contour with, again, Juvia's Place. I see you, saddlebags. This water is hitting the spot, goodness gracious. This is the Real Technique Expert Face Brush. Y'all, if y'all could see outside my backyard right now, it looks so pretty. I mean, I could, you know, turn my camera around, but I'm not gonna do it. That's just too much work. This is the Real Technique Deluxe Crease Brush. Getting my nose together. Feel like Bob Ross in this joint. You wanna get that brush? Yeah, you're gonna do it just like that. Just go. Oh, my dad used to love Bob Ross. He used to watch him all the time. I'm just like, this is dumb. Who is this white man with a bush painting all these daggone trees that I can't paint? Now I know how y'all feel when I say something easy. My bad. He always telling something, this is easy, just do it like this. My trees never came out like that. Never came out like that, Bob Ross. Okay, go back in with my foundation brush. Go over that. Y'all see what's happening? Y'all see how the face is coming together? Okay, and because this, what the heck is my daggone concealer? Dear almond. I want to brighten that up just a smidge. Didn't do much, did just enough. Take my damp sponge. We're gonna press back and forth like this around the nose, between the nose and the under eye, just to get that color melted together. Perfect, perfect. I'm gonna use our setting powder. We're gonna put that all where the concealer is. A light dusting. Ooh, she looking good, y'all. She looking good. Okay, I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier powder. This is in the shade Banana. You don't need I told you before, only a little bit of this joint, okay? You don't need a lot of this one. This joint will wash you out quickly. Let me do a little bit more, just a little bit. Ooh, don't mess this up, guys. Okay, we're just gonna do our contour, get that all together. My eyes look real pretty, y'all, because I like those a lot. Okay, let's go ahead and press that powder in with my brush. Another Real Technique setting brush. Oh yeah, booyah. Rest in peace, Natalie. Time for some setting spray. I miss my baby, y'all. I miss my baby. This is my Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. Basking in the ambience. Basking in the ambience. While that's drying down, I'm gonna get my eyelashes ready. This is my Houpon eyelashes that I got from Amazon. I have been rocking these since September of last year, okay? September 2019 is when I got these lashes, and I have been buying the same brand of lashes since then. I love how they look. They are so, so pretty, and I'm gonna keep buying them until they run out. Don't drink all my water, Em.
Mom,
Put it down. Lashes on, looking fantastic. Okay, yes, 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 yes. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of my blush. So I'm gonna use another Juvia's Place product. This is the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette. I'm gonna mix Yara and Tao. I don't wanna be rosy cheeks, I'm trying to be sultry. I'm gonna use the same palette. I'm gonna use the Zoba highlighter. Highlight those cheekbones a little bit. I'm gonna highlight my normal areas. Make sure my brows are good. Y'all watch my brow tutorial, you know what I'm doing. The makeup is pretty much done. We're not gonna do the lips until last. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this hair finished up. Okay, changed up my little outfit. Got her down, got her down. Okay, so like I said, this unit was sent to us by HayQueenCrowns. This is their Jilly unit. It comes in the color Ombre Caramel Swirl. Give me all types of warm and cozy vibes. I got mine in the 14 inches and the 150% density. As with all of their units, they all come ready to wear out the pack. That's bleached knots, hairline pre-plucked, washed, styled, pressed, curled, all that kind of stuff. Now, obviously, when you take her out the pack, her curls will be a little bit, you know, flatter. You will have to go in and refresh them and things like that. Even the parting space is pretty much good to go. You can definitely see my wig grip in there, so I need to go in and kind of get that straightened out. With my comb, here we go, here we go. I'm just gonna put some wand curls in this joint. Ooh, this hair smells really good. This hair smells like the shop. Now, with all that being said, these units are not cheap. If you watched my first video, I already gave my little spiel on how I feel about that. So if this is more of a wish list item for you, that is fine and dandy, okay? You do not have to feel any type of way because you may not be getting this unit right now, or you don't want to spend that much on a unit right now. It's your prerogative how you spend money that comes out of them purse strings, okay? That's not my business. I'm not going to tell you you have to buy it. I'm not going to tell you you shouldn't buy it. You do whatever you want based on what you see in this video, okay? And what I feel like you see in this video is a slayage, okay? Now see what I'm doing? The curls are pretty much already intact. I'm just refreshing them, just refreshing the curls. It's nothing crazy going on. Ow, ow, dang it. About to burn my knuckle off my finger. Goodness. I still can't seem to get my daggone wand curler off right. What am I doing wrong with that, y'all? Help me out. Cause I be wrapping it just fine, but then when it's time to take it off, it be like struggling to get it off. I don't know. Sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't. See, like that one, that was easy. This hair color is really pretty, y'all. It's the, what is it? What did I say it was? Caramel swirl? Caramel? Jilly, what are you, Jilly? Ombre caramel. Caramel? How y'all say it? Caramel? Caramel? That good stuff, okay? Ombre good stuff swirl. We're here to show you guys what's available. Okay, we are here to serve you, sis, and Gary. Gosh, Gary, I know you. Don't forget about me. Okay, Gary, I'm not. This one gives off a very natural density, which I love. They also give you different densities around the unit. So it's 120 in the front and then 150 in the back. You can also get 180 in the back if this one is too thin for you. This is looking real nice, y'all. The color is gorgeous. Using my concealer brush right here to kind of open that up a little bit. Again, y'all, like I said, that's my fault. Gonna use my Hair Fetish Knot Eraser. I just wanna lighten it up just a little bit. And even the parting space is like really natural. It comes like plucked and everything, so it's open. HayQueenCrowns is, yes, they do that. I'm gonna take my little wide tooth comb here, comb through these curls. Keep combing until I get the look that I want. Use my little brush here. Get that curl together. Let me go ahead and do my finishing touches really quick. Let me get my lips together. This is the Crown Case lip liner in the color Bear. Then I'm gonna use my Cardi Galore lip gloss in the color Champagne. I ain't got my jewelry on. Oh no, oh wait a minute. Okay, y'all, and that is it for this look. This unit, y'all, is gorgeous. I have no complaints about this unit. And like I said, it's $120 in the front and $150 in the back, and it gives off a very natural look in my opinion. This looks really good, y'all. Okay, it's a very natural density. Look at that, y'all. Look at the swing. Look at the swing in the hair. I like that. I like that. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to HayQueenCrowns for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put my specs and direct link for this unit down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Also, shout out to my girl Keira for collab with me. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.